Did you know Discord has teamed up with chess.com for an exciting promotion? You can snag free Nitro or a diamond membership on chess.com. Let's dive into how you can participate. Step-by-step instructions. Head over to the link provided in the description below. If you don't already have a chess.com account, you'll need to create one. Simply enter a username, email, and password, then click Sign Up. You might see a few optional promotions during setup. Feel free to skip them and finish your registration. Choosing an opponent. Once registered, you'll be presented with 3 Discord mascots to challenge: Wumpus, Clyde, and Nelly. For an easier win, select Wumpus. Adjust the game mode by choosing Assisted from the drop-down menu. This mode offers helpful guidance, showing you possible moves during the game. Follow the guided suggestions to play the match. It usually takes about 5 or 6 minutes to win or draw. Stay focused, and victory should come easily. After the game, you'll see a message letting you claim your reward. Choose to either redeem the Nitro for yourself or share it with a friend. It's that simple. Enjoy your Nitro or chess.com perks, and let me know in the comments if you snagged a win. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.